Welcome to the Translator's Preflight app, your ultimate project intelligence tool. On your screen is the Translator's Preflight app. This isn't just another tool, it's your intelligent co-pilot before you take off on any translation project. Whether you're a project manager, a translator handling a large assignment, or outsourcing to a team, this app gives you the insights you need to start confidently. 1. The dashboard, your control center. The interface is clean, professional, and built for efficiency. On the left, you see the Project Files panel. This is where you drag and drop your XLIFF, TMX, or bilingual files. No complicated imports, just drag, drop, and go. 2. Adding files, instant readiness. Click Add Files or simply drag your project documents into the list. The app supports multiple formats: XLIFF, TMX, Word, Excel, even plain text. Once loaded, you'll see each file listed, ready for analysis. 3. Chunk size, smart segmentation. Before we start, notice the chunk size setting. This determines how much text is sent to the AI at once. The default is 3,000 words, enough for deep analysis without overwhelming the AI. You can adjust this based on your project's complexity. 4. Starting analysis, the first click. Click Start Analysis. The app instantly extracts all source text from your files and splits it into manageable chunks. The activity log on the right shows real-time progress, parsing files, extracting text, chunking corpus. Within seconds, your first chunk is ready. 5. The prompt window, AI instructions, done for you. Now look at the prompt for Gemini ChatGPT window. The app has already generated a perfectly structured prompt. This isn't a generic query. It is indeed tailored to extract exactly what translators need. Key terminology with explanations. Acronyms and their meanings. Proper names and cultural references. Domain-specific tags. Narrative and executive summaries. You don't write this, the app does. Just click Copy Prompt. 6. Ad hoc instructions, your personal touch. Below, there's an optional ad hoc prompt box. Here, you can add specific instructions like, focus on medical terminology or highlight any legal terms. This ensures the AI addresses your exact concerns. 7. Sending to AI, one copy, one paste. Open your preferred AI, Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude or DeepSeek, and paste the prompt. The AI returns a structured response. Copy the entire response. 8. Processing the response, intelligence captured. Paste the AI's response into the AI response window and click Process Response. The app instantly saves all extracted data, terms, acronyms, names, summaries. The activity log confirms, data saved for chunk 1. Then, it automatically advances to the next chunk. 9. Navigation, full control. Use previous chunk and next chunk buttons to move through your project. The chunk status display shows your progress, chunk 2 of 5. You're always in control. 10. After all chunks, the power revealed. Once all chunks are processed, the real magic begins. Click Generate Report LTR for a standard report, or Generate Report RTL for right-to-left languages like Arabic, Pashto, Dari, Urdu, or Farsi to name a few. 11. The report, your project guidance. The generated HTML report is a comprehensive project dossier. It includes executive summary, high-level project overview, narrative summary, detailed content breakdown, domain tags, automatic categorization, legal, medical, technical, terminology glossary, key terms with source explanations and AI-suggested translations. Acronyms decoded, every acronym expanded and explained. Proper names and cultural concepts, identified with transliteration and context. 12. Why this changes everything. For project managers, you now have a complete project blueprint before assigning work. No more guesswork about complexity or terminology. For translators, you start with a terminology guide, acronym decoder, and cultural notes. This is especially crucial for exotic languages or specialized fields. For outsourcing, hand this report to your team or freelancers. They begin with perfect context, ensuring consistency and quality. For multilingual projects, the app identifies culture-specific terms and suggests appropriate translations, bridging gaps between languages. For file names and acronyms, it catches difficult transliterations and acronyms that might otherwise be overlooked, saving hours of research. For terminology trust, the English source explanations are AI verified and reliable. The target language suggestions are just that, suggestions. You, the translator, have the final say, but the foundation is solid. 13. Export ready. Every glossary, terms, acronyms, names, cultural concepts can be exported individually or together to Excel or TMX with one click. 14. The bottom line. This isn't just an app. It's your pre-flight checklist. It ensures you take off with all the intelligence you need, avoiding turbulence during translation. You save time, reduce errors, and deliver consistent, high-quality work right from the start. Ready to transform how you approach translation projects? The Translator's Preflight app is your cockpit. Take control. Fly smart. Let us try a file from a demo project and see how it works.